Hey everyone! So every time you turn on your computer, Discord automatically opens and starts checking for updates, and it can really slow down your startup. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop Discord from opening on startup on both Windows and Mac. It takes literally 30 seconds. Let's get into it. First, quick background. By default, Discord is set to launch automatically when you start your computer. This is so it can check for updates and get you back into your conversations faster. But for most people, it's just annoying and slows down your boot time. So let's turn it off. The easiest way to do this is directly inside Discord. Open the Discord app and look at the bottom left corner. You'll see a gear icon next to your username. Click that to open user settings. Now scroll down on the left side until you see Windows Settings under the App Settings section. Click on it. You'll see a toggle that says Open Discord. Just turn that off. Done! Discord will no longer open when you start your computer. Super simple, takes like 10 seconds. If you want to use Task Manager instead, here's how. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Click on the Startup tab at the top. You'll see a list of all the apps that open when Windows starts. Find Discord in the list. It might show up as Discord or sometimes as Update with the Discord logo. Right-click on it and select Disable. That's it. Discord is now blocked from opening at startup. There's also a third way if you prefer using Windows settings. Click the Start menu on the top, open Settings, then go to Apps and click on Startup. You'll see the same list of startup apps. Find Discord in the list and toggle it off. Same result, just a different path to get there. Now, if you're on a Mac, the process is a little different. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner and open System Settings. Then go to Users and Groups, select your user profile, and click on Login Items. You'll see Discord in the list of apps that open at login. Select it and click the minus button at the bottom to remove it. Discord will no longer open automatically when you start your Mac. Here's a bonus tip. If you actually want Discord to open at startup, but you don't want it popping up on your screen, you can turn on the Start Minimized option. Just go back to Discord Settings, Windows Settings, and toggle on Start Minimized. This way, Discord will open in the background without bothering you, and it'll be ready when you need it. And that's how you stop Discord from opening on startup. Use the Discord settings for the easiest method, or Task Manager and Windows settings if you prefer those. Mac users just remove it from login items. Your computer will boot faster and you'll have full control over when Discord opens. If this helped you, leave a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which method worked for you. See you in the next one.